will not forget viewers all over the world. Where I'm here talking to them, I should also talk to you. There's a big controversy going on in the world concerning Malaysia plane. They don't know where the plane is. Long time I said they should look down the deep sea. I think they are going to the deep sea, trying to see what sea. They did not ask which kind of sea are we talking about. I'm the only minister, if not only me, that God used to speak about this issue since last year. I keep talking about it since last year. I talk about it to the extent that I talk about the number of people that is inside the plane. I keep talking about it, even December I talk about it. I keep saying the plane I'm talking about, the thing is coming closer. I say it's Asia country, but God showed me the name of the country. But if I mention any country, no one will want to enter plane there. Okay? So we keep praying. Well, when did it happen? We keep praying that God to protect these people. Now, for the past 7 days now, they don't know where the plane is. And I said at the beginning that impatient is one of the problems. I said it. Why I say impatient is in the prophecy. Assume we are patient enough, when people want to enter plane, you'll be able to monitor people entering plane. But because we are just, it has never happened before, okay, everybody impatient. Yes, there is a controversy everywhere. I say deep sea, right long time. Yes, between the sea of Indonesia and the Indian Ocean. It is true the plane was going this way and come back there. Yes. The pilot found himself in a situation he thought, if I go this way, it's better, it's shorter to go this way. But they want to know whether it is hijacked or not. That is the controversy now. Does pilot himself turn back, or it was hijacker that forced the pilot to turn back? I think that is the challenge they are having now. That should not be a challenge. Let us find the plane first. That should not be a challenge. Let us find the plane first. But if I may say this, there are some strange people inside the plane. I will not say more than that. Strange people that are not supposed to be inside, they enter the plane. It was battle on the air, and the battle on the air. And the tarmac was not expecting the plane to turn back. So they are expecting any signal. They expected the plane to go. They are not expecting the plane to turn back. So the pilot whoever in the tarmac, a communication side, will not expect the plane to turn back. So he has to lose the communication. He has to lose the signal. And when he lost the signal, the pilot could not hear anything. There is little fuel can go. The fuel cannot go on and on and on. So it is true, the plane turned back. It diverted like this. It was going this way and diverted this way. Yes, because pilots confront a situation he could not handle. And if the communication is lost, yeah, it has to lose because the people at the tarmac, they were not expecting the pilot to turn back. So that's it. But the plane itself, between that sea, they were looking for a different sea. I said deep sea for the past last Sunday. But it's deep sea indeed, but between this Indonesia and the Indian Ocean. Why I say between? Because the particle has gone swimming everywhere. It entered and it was seized by object down sea. If something dropped inside the sea and it was seized by some object is down, there is no way the thing could come up of the sea until the thing becoming decay. When it becomes decay and becoming particles, little body come on the floor on the sea. But the whole thing is coming to an end. I say the whole thing has come to an end. Coming to an end in the sense that they will discover the plane. They will discover the particle, they will discover everything will be end from now, any moment from now. Any moment from now. So this coming week, we are not going to begin to talk about it again. This coming week, we are not going to talk about it. Rather, the family concerning will know their fate. Because their fate is hung. It's better you know where your loved one, if your loved one went to Jesus to rest, you know he has gone to heaven, where everyone will go one day. Rather than you don't know whether he's over there or he's on the earth. That kind of faith is too strong for any family to bear. So the family of these people, they need to know their faith, and they will know their faith any moment from now. So we cannot continue next week.